So recently a young Bollywood actor was in the news because there was a lot of speculation about his changed looks or whether he got a procedure done or a plastic surgery done to enhance his face. Well, we also get a lot of young patients who come to us seeking help in changing the lower part of the face. What happens is sometimes the chin is small, and if the chin is small, it gives a roundness to the face, and therefore augmentation of the chin is a very important procedure that we offer. So there are two main options for chin enhancement. One is a non-surgical alternative in the form of HA fillers for chin enhancement, and the second is a surgery in the form of a chin implant. Now in this video we will understand who are good candidates to undergo a non-surgical enhancement and who are good candidates to undergo a surgical enhancement of the chin. I will explain to you how the procedure is performed, what is the downtime, what is the cost range of these treatments, and what you can expect to have after doing these treatments. When we talk of facial aesthetics, our face is divided into three halves, and the lower half of the face often is deficient, it is small, and that makes the face look rounded, it makes the face look chubby, and addition of length to the chin is a very important aspect of giving proper proportions to the face. So the non-surgical alternative is in the form of a HA filler. Now these fillers are in pre-filled syringes, so it is not a surgery, it is just an injection that is given, but the way it is done is also very important. If you are someone who has a broad face or who has a round face and wants to make the face look slimmer, then we inject the filler in a way where it makes the chin look sharper and more pointed so that it gives a triangular appearance to the lower part of the face. And if you are someone where the entire jaw is small, then we contour the entire chin area. So if you draw two straight lines from corner of your mouth, the entire area between these lines is enhanced, and in this case you may need more than one syringes. Depending on whether you need one syringe or two syringe, of course the cost will vary. Now these fillers are something which dissolve on their own. You can expect the result to last for 1.5 to 2 years, and at the end of this period you will go back to how you are today. If you are someone who is going to do a procedure for the first time, or you are unsure of how it is going to look on your face, then I suggest that you first try a HA filler, because it's a temporary thing and you get to see how your face will change. So you can think of a HA filler as a semi-permanent or a temporary alternative to see the look that you can get. So a HA filler is injected under local anesthesia just by a topical numbing cream. Now a filler injection is not a surgery, so it is something which does not have too much of downtime, it does not have too much of swelling. You may have a little bit of swelling for first 1 or 2 days because the filler hydrates, it absorbs the water and then it sets in that area. So do it in a way maybe around a weekend where you have 1 or 2 days of recovery time, and then you are good to go. The cost of a HA filler starts from 24 to 25,000 rupees, and whether you need one syringe or two syringes, that will determine the eventual cost to you. Now as plastic surgeons, we deal a lot with the anatomy of the face, with surgeries of the face. So choose a board certified plastic surgeon who can guide you and explain to you the differences between these two procedures and explain to you what is a good option for you. Now chin augmentation using a chin implant is a small surgery. It's around 45 minute to 1 hour procedure. There are two ways in which we can insert a chin implant. Either there can be an incision externally to insert the implant, or we can do the same from inside the mouth. Both techniques have their own advantages and disadvantages. Now the chin implants are also available in different shapes. So depending on what kind of shape your face has or what kind of enhancement your chin needs, we can choose an optimal shape for you. So if you go for a small size implant, which is called as a button implant, the implant is only in the center. So it is mainly going to enhance this part of the chin. So it is to make the chin look triangular or to make it look sharper. But if you are a male and you want to enhance the entire jawline, then we have something called as an anatomical chin implant, which is a bigger size implant, and it's also broader. So it extends somewhere from here all the way till there. So it is something which will make you have a squarish kind of a chin or a masculine kind of a chin, and that is kind of a shape that we normally use in our male patients. Normally I prefer to insert a chin implant from inside the mouth because you don't have any incision which is visible to people. Now in female patients, there are multiple options that are available in terms of the projection that you can have, in terms of the advancement of the jaw that you can have. So it all depends on what you have in mind, and when I have patients for consultation, I show them photos of what kind of transitions have happened in the previous patients. You can also come with some photos, and then we can arrive at what is the appropriate size, shape and dimension for your chin. The recovery after a chin implant surgery takes around 8 to 10 days. You can expect to have some swelling on the operated area. You need to keep icing the chin and other areas around that portion. You need to wear something called as a chin strap, which is a cotton belt which goes like this. It has velcro on the top, that is to give compression so that there is no collection of saliva or blood in that area. You will feel numbness on the lip for a few weeks, and that numbness progressively reduces as the number of weeks advance. You will be on antibiotics and painkillers for 7 days. So the overall recovery time is around 2 weeks for a chin implant procedure. The cost of a chin implant procedure ranges between 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh. That depends also on the type of implant, the company that we choose, and various other options. You can also combine a chin implant surgery with any other surgical procedure, and that would determine the eventual cost of the surgery. So the surgical enhancement of a chin may be more expensive than a filler, but then the results are permanent. So in the long run, it balances out, whether you want to have something which is temporary or whether you want to have something which is permanent. So if you want me to make more such videos where I compare two different procedures, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.